The Canon EOS R50 Bundle offers a versatile mirrorless camera with an impressive range of lenses, perfect for both photography and videography enthusiasts. Equipped with a sophisticated 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and DIGIC X image processor, this camera delivers stunning and high-resolution images with vibrant colors. The camera's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system ensures fast and precise autofocus capabilities, making it easy to capture moving subjects with clarity. A flexible ISO range from 100 to 32,000, expandable to ISO 51,200, allows for excellent performance in various lighting conditions. This renewed product has been thoroughly inspected and tested to ensure it looks and functions like new, offering a reliable option for budget-conscious buyers. Complementing the camera are multiple accessories, including a tripod, memory card, and various lenses, providing a comprehensive kit for creative exploration.